So we back. It's a Southern Tier, 2 times IPA.
Can you turn the camera just a little?
It's an IPA. So India Pale Ale. It's a double India Pale Ale. 8.2% on this one. 8.2%. So we're going to get on the taste test with this one. We have one more IPA, which is the All Day. So we expect this one to taste a lot stronger. Why wouldn't it be? Because double IPAs, you know how you're doing. So let me get some in my glass. The color's already a little darker than the other one. A lot foamier. I'm going to get some for the wife here. So here's hers. Looks like a lager. Mine's all foamy. It's a 2 times double IPA from Southern Tier Brewing, if I haven't said so before. The can art is, I got a big picture of a hop. Oh man, I love hops. We grow them here at the vineyard.
Why wouldn't I?
So let's get on with the smell and the taste test on this one. Right off the bat, it's a totally different hop. That I know for sure. This one smells like celery. Unless it's the celery on my fingers from chopping celery. So I'll get my fingers out of the way and I'll smell it again. That's a little bit better. It's not as much. It's not as celery as it was before. I was chopping celery for making the chili. She's just mild smelling. Not good at it. No, not a clue on the hop. Not a clue. Let's get on with the taste test.
I'm going to say cinnamon.
Oh, definitely a double IPA. The bitterness comes in at the end. Oh, it could be, is that one hop we used? I didn't like that much. Yeah, it's not, tastes a little Rauch, like a Rauch malt might be in here. A little smokiness, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm getting an aftertaste of smoke. Yeah, not a clue. Not my favorite hop. Not the Eldorado. The hell was that one we used? I didn't. On the top of my head, I don't know. I didn't buy it. It's yeah, that's what it is. So I believe I nailed the hop down here after a couple seconds of brain thought there. Chinook. I think it's a Chinook hop, and that's not one of my favorites. I can taste it. And I also taste a Rauch type malt, smoked malt. Yeah, it's probably, like I just said, I don't think it's Simcoe. I think it's a Chinook hop. I really do.
Being that I think it is a Chinook hop, it's not my favorite. The wife don't seem to mind it. She thinks it's pretty good. I wouldn't buy this again. Would I buy it again? No. The double IPA from Southern Tier Brewery, nope. It's a no-go for me. I would not purchase that one again. I would purchase the New Haze. That was a good one. Yeah. Not my favorite in IPAs. Nope.